How to see the Valorant Store on phone. Hey guys, let's get started. On today's video, let's see if we can see our Valorant tracker and store on the phone. It's super easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Now that is done, on the search bar type in Valorant Store or you could search for Valorant Tracker. This will give you a list of several apps pop up. Scroll down and you must find a one which says Valorant Tracker. Just tap open it and then install it on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and then you'll be taken to the home page. Here you have to log in with your Valorant account. After that, you will see the interface where you can view the detailed history of your recent matches, scores, death ratios, and other key stats. You can also analyze your performance with different agents and weapons and compare your stats with other players. Additionally, you can also use the app to check the Valorant points and Ready Night points. So this is how you can see the Valorant store on your phone. Hopefully, this was a helpful tutorial. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. We will come up with new videos. Till then, keep watching.